Python is a high-level programming language that is easy to learn and read. It has a large standard library and many third-party packages, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, scientific computing, and more. Python is versatile and can be used for a wide range of tasks, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, scientific computing, and automation. Python is easy to learn and use, which makes it popular among beginners in programming. Python's syntax is simple and easy to understand, which makes it easy to write and read code. Python has a large and active community of users who have developed numerous libraries and frameworks that make it even more powerful and useful. Python is open source and free to use, which makes it accessible to everyone. Java is a popular object-oriented programming language that runs on a Java Virtual Machine (JVM) and is used for developing applications for desktop, web, and mobile devices. It is known for its portability, security features, and robustness. Platform independent. One of the key advantages of Java is its platform independence. Java programs can run on any operating system or platform as long as the Java Runtime Environment (JRE) is installed. Object-oriented programming. Java is an object-oriented programming (OOP) language which allows developers to organize and structure their code in a more modular and reusable way. Large community and ecosystem. Java has a large and active community of developers, which means that there are many resources and tools available for developers to use. Popular in enterprise development. Java is a popular language for enterprise-level development due to its scalability, reliability, and security features. Rich APIs and libraries. Java has a rich set of APIs and libraries that can be used for a wide range of tasks, from developing desktop applications to building web applications and mobile apps. C# is a high-level programming language that is used for Windows desktop and web application development. It is similar to Java in many respects, but it is closely tied to Microsoft's .NET framework. Developed by Microsoft, C# was developed by Microsoft and is therefore closely integrated with Microsoft's .NET framework. This makes it a popular language for Windows desktop and server application development. Object-oriented programming. Like Java, C# is also an object-oriented programming language that allows developers to write modular and reusable code. Easy to learn, C# has a syntax that is similar to other popular programming languages like Java and C++, making it easy to learn for developers who already have experience with these languages. Cross-platform development. C# can be used for cross-platform development with the .NET Core framework, which allows developers to build applications that can run on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Asynchronous programming. C# has built-in support for asynchronous programming, which makes it easier to write code that can handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Ruby is a high-level, interpreted programming language that is often used in web development. It is known for its elegant syntax and is commonly used in the Ruby on Rails framework. Object-oriented programming. Ruby is an object-oriented programming language, which allows developers to write modular and reusable code. Productivity. Ruby's syntax and built-in features can help developers write code quickly and efficiently, which can increase productivity. Open source. Ruby is an open source language, which means that the source code is freely available for anyone to use and modify. Metaprogramming. Ruby has built-in support for metaprogramming, which allows developers to write code that can generate other code at runtime. Job opportunities. There is a demand for developers with Ruby skills, particularly in industries like web development, e-commerce, and social media. Swift is a high-level programming language that is used to develop applications for iOS, Mac OS, Watch OS, and tvOS. It is designed to be fast and safe, with a strong focus on type safety and memory management. It is commonly used for mobile app development. Developed by Apple, Swift was developed by Apple specifically for iOS, Mac OS, Watch OS, and tvOS app development. Performance. Swift was designed to be a fast language, which means that it includes features like lightweight syntax, efficient memory management, and high-speed compilers to optimize performance. Large developer community. Swift has a large and active developer community, which means that there are many resources and tools available for developers to use. Safety. Swift was designed with safety in mind, which means that it includes features like optional types, automatic memory management, and bounds checking to help prevent common programming errors. Easy to learn. Swift has a syntax that is similar to other popular programming languages like C++ and Java, making it easy to learn for developers who already have experience with these languages. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe our channel for more updated videos.